Welcome to process mining using BPMone. In under 5 minutes I'll show you how process mining works using the BPMone tool suite of Palacetina. In the BPMone portal, move to the domain where you want to read in the mining log. Select it from the menu and open the file that you want to read in. That is the actual event log. The process mining tool will try to recognize which character set is being used, and if it can't recognize it, or if you want to change it, you can. Next, I will try to recognize which columns there are. There should be 3. A process instance ID, an activity name, and a timestamp. If necessary, you can change the format of the timestamp. Now I will read in all the lines, and I will show you which activities it found in the log file. I will show you the name, if it's possibly a start activity or an end activity. If necessary, you can filter out some activities as we're doing here. Now we'll actually process all the lines in the log file and read it into the BPMone repository. When it's done, we can proceed to actually create a model. But to do that, we first have to indicate what completeness percentage we want to use. In this case, we'll go for 90%. And now we can do the actual mining. Here we can see what's mining the process. And because it's a fairly simple process, it goes really quickly. So we're already up to 90%. We can save the model, like it's doing, and then if we want we can edit it so it looks a little bit better. We can take some of the angles out of the arcs, lines, and if we want we can move the activities around. We just want to make it look a little bit nicer so it's easier to recognize. As you can see at the top or at the bottom, you'll see the start and end activity that are indicated by the 2 little green dots and the 2 little red dots for the end activity. If we're happy, we can save the model and proceed. Exit the process designer. And now we can actually make an animation. But to do that, first we have to check in the model. We can add some information to this model. Give it a new version number if we want, or different status. New major number, and then save. Now we can report or create the animation. When it's done, you can view the animation inside BPMone, or you can actually download the animation and just watch it in your browser, which is probably a little bit easier. So by downloading the file and opening it in our browser. Here you can see the model again, and all the little blue balls. Every little blue ball represents one instance of the process, in this case one invoice coming in. You can see the little blue balls flowing through the model. If they're moving quickly, then the process is being performed quickly, and if they're moving slow, then things are being held up apparently. You can click on the blue question mark to view some more information about the model, and you can look at the timeline. If you want to go ahead, move forward in the timeline, you just click on the timeline where you want to go. Now you can see that we have some bottlenecks in our process, and you can zoom in and see where it is exactly. In this case, an authorization of the invoice. So I hope this demo gave you an understanding of how process mining works in BPMone. For more information, please look on our website or give us a call. Thank you for watching.